Hello guys, it's Peter from PS Sound, and this is going to be probably the shortest video ever recorded for YouTube. But people always talk about true IB subs, their protection and how they deal with moisture and water and shit like that. So that's just a single layer of Rainguard foam that you can buy in any PA speaker manufacturer shop. Search for speaker grill cloth and you will find this type of foam. It's just a single layer. Actually, it's slightly ripped as well because we had floods and everything this winter. So this is after half year. There's just a bit of dust in there and nothing else underneath my mounting solution in the car. And you can see the sub, the way it came out. There's nothing on it, tiny bit of dust. I don't even see my finger on it. So this Acoustic Elegance is a used sub. I had it in my Honda before, but that's intact. This was facing down with the face in the Mercedes, and it's absolutely safe. And I was driving through 30-50 centimeter deep floods this winter with it, last month actually, for a week, and nothing happened to the driver. So that's pretty much my message to all those people who worry about true IB. Yes, we can have a similar short video once we take speakers out of kick builds in true IB, and that's going to happen soon as well in some of the cars we do. Then we will share a short video of that too. So this is it, nice and quick and short. Check out the playlist to the true IB application. You can see many true IB installs, what this madness is about, because many people don't understand it. Over there it's well explained. But yeah, feel free to share it, comment, do the usual things. So for this one, yeah, that's it, just a short one. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.